Okay, get there. Come, get some fish. Okay. Woo! Good! Congratulations! Okay. How many fish already? How many fish did you get? How many fish already did you get? Huh? 10, huh? Okay, slowly. Slowly. Okay. Woohoo. Just slowly. Okay, slowly. Stay, yeah? Okay, stay. They swimming, ma. Okay, go. You can do it. You can do it. Huh? No, yeah. Later. You do the fish first. Do the fish first. Slowly. No, don't hold. Don't hold. Don't hold. Okay. Yeah. Ooh, almost. Ooh. Oh! Oh! Almost. Stay. Because the fish swim lah, sayang. That's why they move. Slowly. No, like that. No. It's fine. Huh? Mama do? Kuya do. Kuya, help Shakila. We got 2 more. Help Shakila first. Okay, you hold her hand. Hold her hand.
You wanna?
Oh, hold her hand. Go there. Go at the back.
This fish is the water inside.
Okay. One more. Ooh. Ooh, yes. Yes. What you say to Kuya? How about your hand? Oh, thank you, Kuya. Okay, good. Say bye-bye.